This is a 2010 Mercedes GL 450 with 89,000 miles. Absolutely stunning. It is chocolate brown. Gorgeous car. Everything works on the vehicle. Has new air ride suspension. New tires. Power lift gate. Power third row. Dual moonroofs. Front and rear parking sensors, backup camera, navigation, heated seats. Just an immaculate vehicle. Not a door ding or scratch on it. It is running. It needs absolutely nothing mechanically or cosmetically. And it is chocolate brown. It is not black. Beige leather seats, power seats. Perfect Carfax report, no accidents. Backup camera. Navigation. Heated seats. Push button start. Moonroof. Two of them. Premium sound. Very rare color. All right, 89,000 miles. So this is a 2010 Mercedes GL 450, 89,000 miles, absolutely stunning SUV.